myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Now, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in that video. Today we're looking at the Vitruvian form, and then we're gonna try it out today and see how well it does. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It'll be an affiliate link, so go ahead and check that out. It does help the channel a lot. And let's get started. So here we go. Now, nowadays, most of us wants to get a workout in. It's hard to go to the gym because you don't have time during the day and during the night. This is the perfect solution to that because you can work out at home and you have the full capacity of it. The entire digital home gym by Vitruvian form, it is an all-in-one sleek platform. No more lugging around big squat racks or maybe big treadmills, this heavy equipment. Vitruvian can fit anywhere. Once you're done working out, you can put it anywhere you want and you're good to go. You can put it right in your living room, a minimalist style. You don't need to have a gym room or anything like that. Now, the unboxing experience is really nice as well because you'll be able to just flip the one side open, and then this way you can just roll the Vitruvian Trainer Plus out without any lifting or whatsoever. It does come with a few equipment here like the handles, a few ankle straps. It also comes with this clip right here so that you can put two straps into one single cable. Really useful if you're using rows or maybe different workout that you only need the one cable on. The Vitruvian also has a plug-in here and a power on and off here. On the one side, it comes with the wheels as well so that you can lift one side and wheel it around. This is also made out of real carbon fiber, which is really awesome to see. The quality built is amazing. The bottom feet as well retracts up and down so that it'll work on any platform, whether it's balanced or not. Once it's powered up, there are lights as well here that changes while you work out depending on the tension, or you can customize it as well so that you can put any color that you want using the app. Now, if you opt in for the Pro kit, this is what you get, and I would recommend grabbing this as well when you're grabbing the Vitruvian Trainer Plus because it has all the equipment that you'd ever think of. It comes with a mat. It also comes with a bar if you're into the bar workouts. It also comes with handles like this, better cable handles. It comes with a bench as well. It also comes with a waist strap so that, like I said, you can use it for many different workouts. So it's a one-hand operation when you're switching handles. You just push down and then you just pull up on the handle, and that's really it. Pretty easy. Now, the bench is really nice as well. It has a lot of tension so that when you sit on it, it doesn't like flop down. It supports you really well, and it's made out of leather, which is really nice material. Now, this bench only works for the Vitruvian because the one side of the leg is shorter than the other because you'll be able to put it on top of the Vitruvian Trainer Plus. I find that the mat as well helps a lot when you are doing lunges or maybe workout that supports your feet from sliding around. Great addition. The Vitruvian Trainer Plus is patented technology that loads the perfect weight, guides your workout, and tracks your progress. It can do up to 440 pounds, which is 200 kilograms of digital weights. The weights are also adaptable. It rapidly adjusts to challenge you or retract where needed. It is also compact and portable to easily store under a bed or couch when it is not in use. It also comes with 300 plus classes and goal-oriented programs, replacing the need for a personal trainer. It also comes with 200 plus exercises to build customized workouts. And it has multiple training modes, including pump, time under tension, old school, and eccentric only for all phases of training. It also tracks all the data and your performance so that it shows you on the app to ensure consistent progress. I would recommend having a TV in front of you so that you can AirPlay your workouts so that you can follow along. It's hard to do it on the phone unless you have a stand. So you'll see everything on the TV and what I'm doing on my phone. So as you can see here, it has the full body burn workout, it has the hit the ropes, and also some hit workouts and also some bench and chest workouts here. So you can have the coaching. Let's just do a bench workout here. So for setting up the bench is really easy. All you need to do is make sure that the one side that is short goes on the Vitruvian, like so. Have it about middle area. Here, as you can see, we can change the weight as well, increase it by a few percentage or lower it if you want. We'll increase it so that we can have a little bit more workout here. So very quickly, he wants the barbell, so you just take off the handles here. There it is. Take our barbell now. As you can see, set it up. Really quickly. There it is. And we're ready to work out.
And we're ready to go. So I've actually put some pretty good weight on for me today. So I'll be working with you. Ready? Here we go. Let's get your first three out the way. Two. And we're doing it. Here we go. And we are on time under tension mode here. So it's going to stay the same throughout the whole workout. You get a muscle style in that eccentric phase. Big push up there, working your chest. Keep that barbell just in line right in the middle of your chest there. And at an absolute minimum, just get your elbows to about in line with where your shoulders are before you're pressing up. We're going for 40 seconds. It's a little bit longer than what we've been doing in other programs. So just keep it up. Keep the control nice and slow on the way down. If you're really struggling, just hang down the bottom for a little bit with that barbell. And there'll be some weight that comes off so you can push it up. We've got a couple of seconds to go. Doing really well. In 3, 2, and relax there. Bloody beautiful. Excellent. You're doing that far. Get up for a step. We've got 30 seconds before our next step. That was really good. Good job. So yeah, the time under tension mode.
Nice.
If you're really, and we're working your triceps. Those ones on the back of your arm there. And the way to best, like you're probably feeling right now, your triceps are feeling a little bit more fatigued because you're using your triceps. They're also assisting you to push. So that's why I like to group them together. Same with thighs and back, which is pulling. I like to do legs because obviously they're all together, and then we'll do shoulders on another day as part of this program. We'll get your next 3 in. Here we go. Just so you're using similar muscle groups on each day, so you're not fatiguing out for the next one. Slow on the way down. Good one up. That's good job. And keep working these parts. Very well. This is our last set of the 40s, and then we're going to get into the tricep kickbacks or pullbacks, and we're only going to go for 30 seconds. But they're 30 seconds each arm, so it's actually quite a long time. They'll be hurting pretty hard after that amount of time. Single digits ready. Keep those elbows tucked in. Doing really well. And relax there. Good job. Very, very good. And have a break. Clear yourself out.
So now he did say that to take off the bench, all you need to do is just move it like this, out of the way. Again, the quick release system. Change this to the handle. There it is. Put this right here.
Arms are back in the room, and just to get my shoulders staying in the same position the entire time. It's not moving forward or back. We're kicking back, isolating, working your tricep, that muscle on the back of your arm there. I've got the split stance right now, but if you want to go with your feet next, or switch between the two if you like as well. So kick them on back. Let's go the palms to the back of the room. Doing really, really well. And if you need some of that weight to come off, just hang it down the bottom just for a little second, and then I'll drop some weight.
Now here there are a few workouts. For example, on my phone here, you can create your own workouts. Name it whatever you want. Let's just say back. Add exercises that is connected. Let's say you want to use bent over rows. Use squats with it, whatever you want. You can add whatever back workouts you need here. There's a few workouts that you can use depending on what equipment you have. So for example, if you bought just the Trainer Plus, which is just a machine here with 2 handles, then you'll be able to just customize it to whatever you want, that it would only use those equipment. Now let's try a few workouts here. So for example, let's try different workouts that shows different equipment as well. Let's try bent over rows. Again, you could do individual workouts like this, and then you just you can customize it by swiping up. 10 reps or whatever force you need it as well. You can increase it or decrease it. You can also go duration up to 30 seconds, and again you could change that. Up here you could change the mode to pump. There's also the eccentric only, old school, or time and retention. Let's just go pump for now, and you can change the progression or regression here, which is really nice. When you are bringing it up and bringing it down, it'll change to whatever you want. So it'll wait for you as soon as you are on there. So now the tension is here. As you can see, the color changes as well with the trainer, with the weight that you're putting on there. It'll also adjust the weight if it's too easy for you, like if you're pulling it too hard, the weight will go up with it. Now if you are doing squats, there's a few things here. So as you can see here, we're gonna try this sumo belt squat. Taking it off again is real easy right there. Boom. Then let's set this up right here. Just like so. The cables as well here is extendable. You could change it to whatever you want. And we're gonna put this on like so, quickly now. There it is. And as you can see, we're all set up. Let's hit play here. And as you can see, the tension will kick in now, depending on how easy it is as well. There it is. That is really nice. And that's it. And if you're done, put it down like so, and you're good. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new home gym. This is the Vitruvian Form Trainer Plus with the Pro Kit. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. I definitely recommend this for people who wants a very simple, minimalist, all-body workout for your home. All you need to use is this and be able to hide it in under your couch and be able to use it whenever you want. No more missing workouts. There's no more excuse. You'll be able to use it every day, track your progress, and get ready for that summer body. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Again, if you want to see more of these, I'll link this down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.